Something exciting might be happening for action camera lovers. GoPro has been a trusted name for a long time. People loved its tough build and clear video quality. Whether you were hiking, jumping, swimming, or just recording your travel stories, GoPro was always there, ready to capture the action. But in the last few years, fans started feeling a bit let down. New releases came with small updates, but nothing truly exciting. People began asking, where's the next big leap? While other brands like DJI started stepping up their game. GoPro seemed to be standing still. Now things might finally change. Rumors say the GoPro Hero 14 Black could bring the upgrades people have been asking for years. It might be the bold refresh GoPro needs to get back on top with talks of better hardware, improved image quality, and smarter design. This new camera could be the one many have been waiting for if you are thinking about getting a new action cam or just curious about what's next. This might be the perfect time to watch closely, so let's dive into all the exciting things that could make the Hero 14 Black the most thrilling GoPro yet. GoPro usually launches its new cameras around September, and this year looks no different. Many sources believe the Hero 14 Black will arrive near September 20, but this year, it's not just about the date, it's about what might come inside the camera. Rumors are pointing to real hardware changes that could completely change how people see GoPro. One of the biggest upgrades might be the sensor. Fans have been asking for a 1-inch sensor for years, and now it looks like that wish might finally come true. A 1-inch sensor lets in more light, so your images look sharper and more colorful, especially in dark or tricky lighting. That means better low-light performance and smoother details in shadows and highlights. Even if the resolution stays at 5.3K, the quality of each frame would improve a lot, because a bigger sensor doesn't just make pictures brighter, it also helps with contrast, sharpness, and dynamic range. This is huge for people who film in changing light, like sunset mountain trails, city nights, or fast action in the shade. And while other cameras like the DJI Osmo Action 5 already have larger sensors, this could be GoPro's chance to match or even go beyond that level. But the sensor isn't the only change. There's also talk about a full edge-to-edge display. This means a bigger screen without increasing the camera's size. More screen space makes it easier to frame shots and review footage, while still keeping the device compact and durable. GoPro might also add protective bumpers around the screen to make sure it stays safe during drops and impacts. This keeps the adventure vibe alive while still offering modern features. Button placement might be improved too. Rumors say physical shortcut buttons could be added to quickly change shooting modes or start and stop recording. That's super useful when you are on the move and don't want to scroll through menus. And now let's talk about something that has annoyed many GoPro users for years. Overheating. When you record for long periods, especially in high resolution, the camera gets hot. That often causes it to slow down or even shut off. But things could change this time. Rumors suggest a new processor might be coming, possibly called the GP3. If that happens, the camera might run faster and cooler at the same time. The new chip could improve how fast the sensor reads data, which helps reduce rolling shutter problems. That's very helpful when recording fast motion like biking, surfing, or skating. Some leaks even mention a built-in heatsink that would pull heat away from the main parts of the camera so it stays cooler longer. This could finally make long recording sessions more stable and reliable. Battery life could also improve if the chip is more efficient and the software is smarter. GoPro could offer longer shooting times on a single charge, and there might be an option for larger battery sizes to help with all-day shoots or remote travel. Overall, the Hero 14 Black sounds like a big step forward. After years of small changes, this could be the bold new chapter that GoPro needs. If even half of these upgrades turn out to be real, it will show that GoPro is listening to its community and responding with real solutions. The action camera world is full of strong players now. DJI has grown fast, and other brands are getting more attention too. But with the right upgrades, GoPro could remind everyone why it was the king of this space for so long. The Hero 14 Black might not just be a new camera, it might be the return of the true GoPro spirit. So, is the GoPro Hero 14 Black the big comeback fans have been waiting for? It just might be. With all the talk around a bigger sensor, wider screen, better buttons, new chip, and smarter heat control, this sounds like more than just a simple update for people who love filming fast action, wild landscapes, or daily adventures. This new GoPro could make everything easier, sharper, and more reliable. It's not just about numbers or specs, it's about real changes that improve how the camera works in real life. After a few quiet years, this could be the moment GoPro shows. It still knows how to lead the action cam game. Do you think the Hero 14 Black will live up to the hype? Can it beat tough rivals like DJI and take back its top spot? We want to hear what you think, so drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep look into what's coming next, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Factic for more news and breakdowns just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.